Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Adam and this is the Trying series where I try out various products in the world of food and fitness and give you my honest opinion. So we start the very first episode with a product sent to me from FUEL10K. FUEL10K are a company that make some incredibly tasty and nutritious products. They're stocked in all the major supermarkets already and also have their own online shop as well. In the past, I've tried their granola, their wheat biscuits, protein drinks, peanut butter as well, which I've loved, so my expectations were already high. Today, I'm reviewing their meal replacement shake, known as the Complete Meal. So what is it exactly? Well, it's a shake that's designed to help ensure you get all the necessary nutrients, protein, the right carbs, all in one shake. It contains 26 grams of protein, 46 grams of complex carbs, based on their recommended 4 scoops per meal. It's also got no artificial colourings and contains 14 essential vitamins and minerals, which means one of these meals contains 100% of your daily recommended dose, so you don't miss out. It's suitable for vegetarians, with a vegan option also available. I received the strawberry and banana flavour, and they also do a chocolate version as well as a vegan vanilla option too. As I mentioned earlier, the carbs it contains are complex, which means they'll release energy slowly without you getting a sudden energy boost and then feeling a massive drop soon after having it. I found it really easy to make. It's just 300 ml of water into the shaker, then you add the 4 scoops, shake for like 10 seconds, or mix it in a blender instead. I also like to leave my protein shakes in the fridge for at least an hour if possible. Personally, I think they taste even better that way. Anyway, it mixes really well, and the strawberry and vanilla taste great. Basically like a milkshake without the milk. It also didn't taste artificial, and I think they got the amount of sugar right. I think it's something like 9 grams per meal, which isn't too bad compared to a lot of the other ones out there. It's also high in fibre, low in fat and salt. I'd say it's perfect for those that want to have more control for what they're eating, as you know exactly what you're getting. It's also easy to log if you're macro or calorie counting as well. Speaking of which, it contains 403 calories per meal. If you're looking to gain weight, it's an additional quick meal to make. If you're perhaps trying to lose body fat but want to retain muscle, it's advised to consume like 1 gram of protein per 1 pound of body fat anyway. So this should certainly help you hit those macro goals much easier. The shake's perfect if you lead a really busy lifestyle and you don't always have time to make your lunch ahead. It's important you don't miss meals. It solves that problem basically. You can use it as a snack between meals, making it in the morning, taking it with you, sipping it throughout the day. The amount of protein that it contains will keep you fuller for longer, so you'll be less likely to grab for like that chocolate bar or bag of crisps. So that's it. I hope you found the video useful and the review. Please like, follow, subscribe if you haven't already to see more of their content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.